What's going on, everybody? My name's Brian. We are going to take advantage of this beautiful day, and we are cooking up some pork side ribs. So let's strap in and let's grill crazy.
Let's grill crazy.
All right, friends, we have picked up a beautiful rack of spare ribs. We got our butcher to cut them for us. So what we have is beautiful St. Louis cut, and then we have our brisket flap and rib ends. We are gonna do both of these together, and we are doing the 3-2-1 method today. That means for the first 3 hours, they're gonna go on the smoker, rubbed all down. Every hour, we're gonna spritz it to keep them nice and moist. And then when they hit an internal temperature of about 165, we're gonna take them off. We're gonna wrap them in tin foil. We're gonna spritz them down again, get them really nice and juicy, put them back on the smoker for about 2 hours until we reach internal temperature of 195, 200. Once we get that, we're gonna pull them off, unwrap them, throw them back on the smoker, slather them in sauce, get them nice and sticky and sweet and fall aparty and delicious. Oh, it's gonna be so good. I can't wait. Let's get into it. All right, let's clean these up and get them ready for the grill. So, they've already been separated, which is great, but we still gotta do a little trimming, make it look nice. So we've got this little extra flap of meat. We are just going to find where the bone is, right about there. And we're gonna take that meat off. We're gonna keep this sausage or whatever we wanna use it for. So we have a nice, beautiful uniform cut there. Here, we're looking good. All of this fat is okay because it's going low and slow. It's gonna render off, but sometimes we got big chunks of fat. So normally with ribs, which is really nice, you can just pull that right off. So that's good. That's a big chunk there. Some of these other ones, we are just gonna use our knife and get off. Okay. So now here comes the thing, the membrane. Everybody has trouble with the membrane. I still have trouble with the membrane. But I learned a trick, and I am gonna show you that trick. I'm just gonna take off, there we go. All right, so I'm gonna show you this trick. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna get yourself a paper towel, and then you're gonna find the end rib. You're just gonna slice the membrane on that rib so you can get a hold of it. And then you take your paper towel, and now I'm not saying it's going to be easy every time, but there we go. I got it now. Once you get it started, just peel it right off there. You have to do it in a few stages. See, once you get it, it's super easy. Okay, so there's that one done. There's a little bit of membrane here. We're gonna take that off. All right, beautiful. Okay, so what are we gonna do rub-wise? Crazy rub. It's your all-purpose rub. It's perfect. So, open it up and get it on there. Let it dance. As Mr. Bowie would say, let's dance. Do on the other side. All right, you want to know how to make this rub? Check out our video right there. It'll give you all the tips. All right, as always, get your meat dancing on the board. Get all those sides. Get them nice, rubbed up. All right, so we're gonna let these hang out on the board. We're gonna let them tack up. The salt in that rub is gonna draw out the moisture. It's gonna let the flavor come in, and then when we get it on the smoker, it's gonna create a beautiful bark. Let's get that smoker warmed up, and let's get ribbing. Come here. Come on over here. There's that smoke. You know what? It is cherry smoke because we have got beautiful hard cherry wood. from Furtado Farms right here in Canada. So that's going to be beautiful flavor. Let's get these ribs on. All right. Oh baby, we are ready. Let's get these beautiful things on, away from the heat so they don't burn. And we are going to put those to bed, check on them every hour, and spritz them up, get them all moist. And now it's time to rib. All right, let's check these babies out. So we've been cooking this nice at 250, so it's our first hour into the cook. Let's take a look at them, let's spritz them up. Hello. Oh baby, look at those. So I've got apple cider vinegar in here and a little concoction known as root beer, just to give it a little extra flavor. Get those nice and, oh, it smells so good already. I wish you could smell it. All right, put them back to bed. Another hour, we'll check them, spritz them, and then after 3 hours, we'll give them a wrap, get them on, take them off, get them on, take them off. We'll see you in a bit. All right, let's check these babies out. Uh-huh. Yeah-huh. Yeah-huh. All right, we are looking at 165. These are perfect. We're gonna take them off, we're gonna wrap them up, and then we're gonna put them back on. Let's do it. All right, we got our foil ready to go here. So, to add that extra flavor, we've got brown sugar and a little bit of butter. You got to put the butter on the ribs to make it nice and sweet and stick. Hey, girl. I wrote that. My album will be coming out soon. All right, this is looking great. So, let's get those ribs. Oh yeah. Look, they're like flying over. And we're gonna put them meat side down to absorb all that good stuff. Boom. Boomski. So we are gonna give this another beautiful spritzing. Keep that moisture in. All right, let's wrap these up nice and tight. Beautiful. Oh, yeah. All right, we're gonna put these babies back on. Meat side down. And gonna put them to bed. Another 2 hours or so. We're gonna wait till they're at about 195, 200. And then we're gonna take them off. We're gonna put them back on the smoke, pack them up with some nice barbecue sauce. It's gonna be delicious. We'll see you in a bit. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and ring that dinner bell to get all of our notifications just to see me juggle. Oh. All right, we have temped them. They are sitting at about 195, so they are perfect. Time to get them off, then get them back on and sauce them up real nice. One. Oh, pull apart. Oh, that's good. That'll be our little taster. Let's get back over here. So a good thing is, and maybe what we should have done, is when you got a nice long rack and you're doing them for low and slow, they're gonna fall apart. Cut the rack in half so they don't fall apart when we're trying to flip them. But hey, grilling is all about learning and then doing what you've learned, right? So let's get these nice and saucy. We're gonna let these get back on the smoke for another 45 to an hour. Let that sauce tack up real nice, and then it is eating time. All right, well, it has been an hour. We have slathered, we have waited, we have slathered again. It is now time to get into these ribs. Oh, baby, baby, baby. Look at those. Those look delicious. Oh yeah, those are looking perfect. Let's slice these up and let's get eating. All right, we have got ribs. Oh, baby. I'm gonna take some of these. Look at that beautiful smoke ring. Oh, I hear the beer man calling. Oh, I hear the beer man calling. Rito, get over here. Get me some beer. These ribs are ready for you.
What we got going on here?
Beautiful pork ribs.
Here's a beer bread.
What do we got here? A little brown jug. What kind do we got? Hefeweizen. Hefeweizen.
Hefeweizen.
There you go. That's why he's the beer man and I'm the chef. Let's get into it. Cheers, Clinky. Oh yeah. Ooh, I can't say it, but I like it. Get yourself a rib there. Let's get into this. Pick which one that strikes your fancy. Oh, good choice. Good choice.
We'll go with that little boy.
There you go. All right, Clinky. Beautiful. Right off the bone.
Fall apart in your mouth.
Ain't nothing wrong with those.
I think your 3-month-old wouldn't have a problem with these.
Nope. I'd say we start on solid foods right now.
Well, this wouldn't qualify.
That's true. That is true.
Look at this. It just came off.
That's what 5 hours will do for you. 5, 6. I'm not a mathematician. I'm just a rib guy. It's getting harder and harder to talk after these cooks because I just want to eat everything. So all I'm going to do is say, give us a like, give us a subscribe. If you're enjoying what we're doing, if you're doing the same, share with us. Let us see it. And remember, if you're going to grill, grill crazy.